Picture this, mamas. You have a reservation at a gorgeous, Michelin-starred restaurant in Manhattan. You are wearing your favorite silk dress, and instead of enjoying the 12-course tasting menu, you are sweating bullets because your sweet baby has MSPI. Real talk, dropping $300 on a dinner when you are terrified a hidden drop of butter in the sauce will ruin your vacation and trigger a middle-of-the-night diaper blowout is not the vibe. But having a baby with milk soy protein intolerance does not mean you are sentenced to room service and takeout for the next year. Welcome back to Milky Way Travels, your go-to spot for navigating luxury motherhood without losing your mind or your aesthetic. We know that being a breastfeeding mom takes serious work, and you deserve to enjoy the finer things in life. Today, we are spilling the tea on how to navigate fine dining allergens like an absolute boss, so you can eat like royalty and travel stress-free. Grab an iced latte, and let's get into it. Our first game-changer hack starts way before you even fold up your luxury stroller. When you are booking a high-end restaurant, do not just type your allergies into a reservation app and hope for the best. You need to leverage the kitchen early. Call the restaurant 48 hours in advance, or better yet, have your luxury hotel concierge handle it. Fine dining kitchens actually pride themselves on customization, but they need time to prep. Tell them directly that you are a breastfeeding mom on a strict dairy and soy elimination diet. When you arrive, the chef will already have a bespoke, allergen-free menu drafted just for you. It is the ultimate power move and makes you feel like a total VIP. Next up, let's talk about decoding the actual menu because hidden allergens in bougie restaurants are next level. You might know to avoid the cheese cart, but high-end spots love to sneak soy lecithin into molecular gastronomy foams, or use soybean oil in their gourmet fryers. When your waiter arrives, be confidently direct. Look them in the eye and ask specifically about cross-contamination and hidden dairy, like clarified butter used to baste steaks. Do not be embarrassed to ask detailed questions. You are paying top dollar for this experience, and protecting your baby's gut health is worth every single penny. Finally, let's talk about the essential gear you need to pack in your designer diaper bag. Even at a 5-star establishment, mistakes can happen, so always carry safe, high-protein emergency snacks just in case a dish gets sent back. Also, if you are pumping at the table to keep your supply up between courses, slip a cordless wearable pump right into your outfit and store those liquid gold ounces in a sleek travel chiller. It keeps your milk perfectly cold for hours and looks like an expensive water bottle, keeping your needs completely discreet. Navigating MSPI does not mean giving up your luxury lifestyle. With a solid plan, you can conquer any tasting menu. Hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and comment below with your favorite vacation spot. Safe travels, mamas.